I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself up on that list.
He said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to.
I promise to always take you to coffee shops in the weekends and to ask for oat milk and extra shots. I can't wait to share my life with you. And even in 50 years, when you will ask me if I still love you, my answer will always be the same. Always. I love you.
The moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls his super before he lives. But I'm not the kind of person.
You love the pieces of me that were the most vulnerable. You've held them gently with so much love and compassion, and shown me a life beyond what I've known. The biggest paradox to me is that I cannot have and never have enough of you, constantly missing you. That's when you know you want to grow old with someone. You're my love, my best friend, my partner in everything. The way you make me feel safe and knowing I can always rely on you.
Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts.
Congratulations, you wanna celebrate with a kiss.
Some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
Do 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 do. Oh, I want something just like this. Do 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 do.
Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.